Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host Hamza, and I'm back with a new video of Java programming tutorials. And today we are going to learn about comments. What are comments? Why they're used in programming languages, and what are their purposes? So let's get started. Comments. So what are comments? Comment can be used to explain Java code and to make it more readable. Like the thing, all this thing, all from line number 3 to line number 8, which I have written. This is all our comments. And you might notice one thing. I have written two slashes before writing anything. These these are the sign, these are the slashes, they are used for comment, single line comment. That will be type I'm going to explain later in this video. So comments can be used to explain something in Java coding, so that other can find it readable and useful. And another advantage of using comment is that it is used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. So what does this mean? Whatever you write in comments, it won't be executed. Mean it prevent execution. So it will be prevented at the time of execution. These all these lines will be prevented at the time of execution. So it will be ignored by the compiler. The compiler don't know what this thing is. It will also go for this thing, and wherever it see this these two slashes, so it will trigger that it will trigger it's triggered in the memory, so it will go for this thing. These are the comments and I will ignore it. So compiler will always ignore this thing. So now comment, there are two types of comments. One is single line comment and second is multi-line comment. So this that this is a single line comment. Now this is again another single line comments. These both are again single line comment. So how multi-line comments are used? So let me give a demonstration. So this, now the quotation has been used, and again star slash. Now this star slash, these both are used for multi-line comments. Wherever I'm going to write, let's say I'm writing something randomly, and again on the next line I'm going to write. So see, both are written, both are now included in comments. So it will be ignored by compiler. But when we come to case of first type of comment, which is single line comment. Now if I write something in the new line, so see, it will be written in white font, white color, mean it's not in the comment. And see, it will also generate an error here, which is syntax error on token. Delete this token, mean you have to delete this thing. It's not included in comments, it will generate an error, which is syntax error. So if you want to write something which which you think that it will come in just single line, so I will prefer you to write it in single line comment, which only use two slashes. But if you want something that you wanted to find it in 2 to 3 lines, so uh, multi-line comment will be more preferable in that case. Now let's see, if we write, so in order to demonstrate this thing, that how it prevents execution at the time of compilation of any Java program. So I'm going to demonstrate this thing here. So first of all we have to declare class, public class, the public static void main. String arguments and then curly braces again. Now if I write a single line comment, it will be like this. This is single line comment. Now if we compile it, press F11, unfortunately it doesn't compile anything, because we haven't written anything in this code. In fact, we have written this code, but this is a comment. Compiler will definitely ignore this thing. Let's say we use multi-line comments, slash star for the initial, and star slash for the last. So if we write something here, programming with Hamza, so see, still it won't compile anything, because we haven't give any single line to compiler to compile it. Now if we write system.out.print line, which is the print line statement, this is not a comment. Now if we compile it, it will, what will be the output? This is not a comment which we have written this. Now again, if I want to make it a comment, now this is the comment. Now again, this will compile anything, because it's now in the comment. So I hope guys this videos have made your confusion clear, and make your concept clear about what are comments, why the comments are used, how many type of comment, and how we can use them in a coding and programming languages. So thank you for watching the video, and do like this video and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Thank you.